Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. Welcome back to my channel, and I want to introduce this new video series, and these videos pertain to YouTube tutorial topics. So, you know, maybe you're new to YouTube, or maybe you haven't even started using YouTube yet and you're looking for tips. Now, I've been using YouTube for a while. I'm not the largest channel. I think at the time of filming this, I'm around 95,000 subscribers and around 70 million video views. So not the largest YouTuber, but what I will do is share my lessons learned with you within this video playlist. So subscribe to my channel, ring that bell to be notified whenever I post another video, and keep your eye on my YouTube tutorials video playlist, because as questions are asked, as I brainstorm new topics, I will post videos here on my channel within my YouTube tutorials video playlist. And I hope you find it to be beneficial. If you do, not required, but if you find it to be beneficial and you choose to do so, you can choose to click that thanks button down below, and you can choose to send me a super thanks. Not required, but it's deeply appreciated, and it helps us support videos like this one. But the easiest form of support would be ask a question, because when you ask a question, that provides me an opportunity to post a video response. And when you ask a question, that's probably a question that potentially thousands of other YouTubers also have. So that's a great way to support my channel. Liking this video, subscribing to my channel, sharing with your friends. That's a great way to support my channel. So I'm sharing this knowledge for free, but like I said, super thanks, strongly encouraged, but not required. And this content within my YouTube tutorials video playlist, it'll be for all experience levels. People that have never used YouTube, people that have been using YouTube for a while, but they're looking for tips to potentially spike their growth. People that have been using it for a long time but have become stagnant. You know, why is their content stagnant? What could they do better? You know, I'm here to share ideas, and this is for everyone. So ask your questions. No, if a question's too complex and I can't answer it, I don't have a problem with saying, hey, I don't have an answer for you. But there's no question that's too simple. And, you know, ask away, because your questions fuel this fire here, my YouTube tutorials video playlist, because I'm here to help. So I hope you find this. I hope you find all of my videos within my YouTube tutorials video playlist to be beneficial. And again, subscribe, ring that bell when you do, and that'll notify you whenever I post another video. And keep those questions coming, because I enjoy responding to your YouTube tutorial questions. I enjoy responding to your YouTube questions in the form of tutorial videos, rather. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.